Hello everybody, my name is Prince Lance Gabriel Roque from 6A and I'm going to be making spring roll for lunch for life skill class. So today our ingredients are carrots, half a bell pepper, 1 egg, 3 garlic cloves, one onion and the spring roll wrapper, and 2 packs of meat. Make sure all the meat goes in so we won't have any leftovers.
Still big.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix the onion and garlic into very small pieces so they can be cooked with the meat. I'll put half of the carrots in so it doesn't get flowy because there's too many carrots. Oh, that's a lot of carrots. The egg inside here, so I'm just gonna crack it. Oh. So we're gonna put half a teaspoon of salt. So now we need to put some pepper so it's not super duper bland. So that's done now. I'm going to wash my hands and gloves because I don't actually like getting my hands dirty. So let's start mixing. Oh, it's kind of cold this. So after we finish mixing this, I'm going to go there to our table and we're going to put the mix inside these wrappers. Oh. This is the Shanghai or the spring roll that we are going to fry in a few minutes. So some of them are different than some of them are kind of strange with this part made by my sister. So yeah, I'll wash my hands. These tongs to grab one. I'm gonna put this one's still, you know, 5 of them. Only 5. I will fry a shorter one for good measure. And first one, second one, and third one is the fourth and fifth one is here. Now the fourth now is golden brown. Fifth yet, not yet. Actually, my first time cooking spring roll or lumpiang Shanghai if you want to say it in Filipino terms. So yeah, and my mom is a very good helper. She's right behind the camera right now. So he's very nice. So spring roll. Bye.